Hi guys, and what is going on, koi partners? Welcome back to a brand new episode here on the channel. In today's video you will see the new shipment that just arrived at Fitz Pond back in New Jersey. Some of you guys know that Brian is a good friend of me. It's a great honor to share one of his videos. I will put a link in the description of his YouTube channel, so go check it out, subscribe on that channel, because his farm is absolutely wonderful. I know it's quite strange, guys, to see me here in my own living room instead next to a koi pond, or even in Japan. Unfortunately, because of the current situation, I'm not able to travel, but as I promised you, every single week you guys get a new upload. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you know what to do, right? Go to the bell notification and the subscribe button, click both of them so you don't miss any future uploads. Guys, let me know in the comments if you like this video, put the thumbs up and enjoy watching.
Hey guys, Brian from Fitz Fish Ponds. Had an early start this morning. We left the farm around 8 a.m. and we're here at JFK Airport in New York. Behind me here is 150 boxes of koi, 6,000, a little more than 6,000 koi to be exact. But this is exactly how the koi come in these boxes just like this. They're all packed up, put on an airplane, and they make their way over here to the US. So each skid has about 50 boxes on it, and these cargo holds go right in the airplane just like this. They're packed like this at Haneda Airport, put on the cargo, and they just make their way over to the US. So now we're just waiting on the USDA inspector. When he gets here, we're gonna have to inspect 10% of the shipment, open everything up, and then we'll start getting everything in the van and get these fish home. So this is how the koi make it all the way from Tokyo to New York City.
Alright guys, we are almost back at the farm, about 10 minutes away. As you can see, my car is loaded up
to the brim. We have some of the most expensive and biggest koi in my car. I have the big SUV, so it's a nice smooth ride for some of these large expensive koi. We got Matt behind me, and Francesco and Ryan are a little bit ahead of me. I took it a little bit slower than them, but we're almost back at the farm. We have 4 trucks filled to the max with koi, and it's going to be crazy unloading them. We're really excited to show you guys this. We got AJ, our videographer. We don't see much because he's always filming, but yeah, we're going to try to film the whole thing, and all the koi look good when we opened the boxes for USDA. So we just took it nice and slow back, and we got out of there pretty quickly, and we're just really excited to get these koi home, and it's our first fish of 2021, so it's really cool. And we're about really close to the farm now, so it's gonna be sweet. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this unboxing video. It was our largest shipment ever to hit Fitz's fish ponds. 150 boxes, over 6,000 koi. Really was a tough time getting this shipment home because of COVID. Not much space on the airline, so we had to work with our shipper over in Japan to organize all this stuff. And really just a long day on Thursday unboxing all these koi, but we did it as fast as we could to get the koi into their new tanks, healthy and safe. So overall, great shipment. Everyone at Fitz Fish Ponds did their part, getting these koi into their tanks, and we're really happy with all the quality of the fish and the health that they're doing. It is winter here in Jersey, so it is a great time for us to be shipping these koi across the globe. The water stays nice and cold in the box, the oxygen's super high in there the whole time, and the fish are nice and calm, so they all arrived in great condition. We're just gonna tuck them away for the night, put the nets on all the tanks, and settle them in. I'll probably check on them a few more times this evening and just make sure all the fish are doing great. But we did unbox 150 boxes in 2 hours with the team at FFP, so thanks to everybody in Japan that was part of this shipment at Shintaro Koi Farm, and all the breeders that shipped koi for this shipment. And thanks to all the team here at Fitz Fish Ponds. Everyone did a great job. I'm proud of everybody. And just subscribe to this channel and like the video. And we'll be posting a lot of content. And if you were interested in any specific koi, most of these are for sale. Some are already spoken for. But send us a message and we'll be happy to get you some pricing and find you a nice fish. But yeah, just on this shipment alone, 6,000 koi. And we have 2 more shipments of 150 boxes. Over 6,000 koi on those shipments too coming in. So it's going to be a crazy year, and we're going to have tons of koi to supply all across the US. And we're really happy to be able to provide these nice koi to the US market. But thanks again for watching the video, and like and subscribe. Thanks guys.